2018 Toyota Camry electric water pump. Well, basically nothing comes from the pump, but the car has been crashed. I'm talking about like that, and the pump connector is broken too, plus it's been smashed here. Question is, how do I check the wire from the pump to the ECU? And I don't have a diagram for this car, but I do have this guy, and guess what I found? That's the signal. If I simply touch together what's supposed to be well, okay, there you go. Now I'm touching the control wire and the output wire, and I am getting the signals. I mean, the ECM gets the so basically what I mean, that's how I made sure that there is no damage in the wiring from the pump to the ECM. Now I can simply replace this broken pump, and that's it. So these two small wires in the middle, that's the, I guess, the black one, the one that comes, the request wire. The green one is supposed to be feedback back to ECM, and that's how you can, if you got a scan tool, simply by jumping them like that. I'm not sure how safe it is, but honestly I kind of was looking for diagrams for this car, and then I was like, man, I can just it's got to be one of those guys, but there's got to be an easier way to check that, and that's how I did it. So if you have a scan tool with data, you can kind of just jump those two guys together and see if you're getting the feedback. So well, all right, thanks.